Idea is making higher tops and higher bottoms on the daily chart. Yesterday it broke the resistance of 90 with higher volumes. So now it can test 95 in next 1 or 2 trading sessions. One can buy the stock at current levels with a stop loss of 89.
The first stock that we will recommend is a buy call in case of Hindalco. The chart structure of Hindalco suggests that the stock has good support near the 110 mark and the buying is observed near 113 to 114. We recommend buying in the same range between 113 to 114. Place a stop loss at 109 and trade bullish for a target of around 125 over the next 7 to 10 trading sessions.
My first trade idea for the day would be Hindustan Unilever. We have seen that HUL has fallen from the levels of 580 to 525 and now formed a base around the level of 525. We can expect a good reversal in this counter. Buy Hindustan Unilever at current market price with stop loss of 526 on closing basis. Expect a target of 555 in next 6 to 7 trading sessions.
After making a strong base near to 53, Vijaya Bank bounced back sharply and broke the resistance of 56 with higher volumes. So now it can test its previous high of 59 in next 1 or 2 trading sessions. One can buy the stock at current levels with a stop loss of 54.50.
The second stock that we will recommend is a buy call in case of REC. The chart structure of REC shows a flag breakout above the levels of 224. Buy REC above 224. Place a stop loss at 218 and trade bullish for a target of 238 in the next 6 to 8 trading sessions.
My second trade idea for the day would be from the Syntex industry. Daily chart structure suggests that as per price and volume indications, the good reversal is expected in this counter soon. Buy Syntex industry at current market price with stop loss of 64 on closing basis. Expect a target of 72 and next target of 75 in next 7 to 8 trading sessions.